This is the story of how copper, an essential element in our modern lives, is extracted step by step from deep beneath the Earth's surface. Ironically, while humans destructively mine gold to show off wealth, we must mine copper to support the entire world's modern lifestyle. The copper flowing through the smartphones in our hands, the electric cars on our streets, and the massive power grids running our cities actually arrived on Earth billions of years ago from the supernova explosions of dying stars. However, nature carefully hid this precious red gold inside rocks. To power our high-tech world, humans have traveled to Chile to perform incredible feats of excavation at the Escondida mine, the world's largest open-pit mine, which is deeper than skyscrapers are tall. Viewed from above, the mine looks like a giant scar on the Earth's surface. Because the solid rock cannot be dug directly, the first step involves machines drilling hundreds of holes, each 16 inches in diameter and over 70 feet deep. Then, engineers carefully load calculated amounts of powerful explosives, connecting them with detonator cords like a spider web. Once everyone is at a safe distance and the button is pressed, millions of tons of rock are pulverized in seconds, resembling a minor earthquake. After massive dust clouds rise hundreds of feet into the air, copper ore, trapped for millions of years, is finally freed. Giant hydraulic excavators, which couldn't lift a car's worth of rocks in a single scoop, load the ore onto the world's largest dump trucks, vehicles as tall as a two-story building that can carry over 400 tons per trip. Just one tire of these massive trucks is taller than a person and costs tens of thousands of dollars. Guided systematically by GPS, fleets of these trucks transport the excavated rocks, separating them into two paths based on their copper content. Low-grade ore with less copper is piled into mountains and continuously sprayed with sulfuric acid. The acid dissolves the copper from the rock over about a month and a half, and the liquid that emerges at the bottom glows with a strange, brilliant blue. On the other hand, high-grade ore with more copper undergoes a more complex process. The rocks are crushed into fine powder by massive grinding mills, mixed with water and chemically frothed to separate the copper particles. The resulting copper concentrate is melted in massive furnaces at over 1200 degrees Celsius to create hot liquid copper. It is then suspended in large tanks of acid and copper sulfate, where an electric current is passed through. Copper atoms migrate and stick to the cathode plate on the other side, forming pure copper cathode plates with over 99% purity. Finally, these are melted down again in metal casting plants and drawn into the electrical wires and motors we see every day. This isn't just simple mining, it's one of modern humanity's greatest journeys of mechanical power. But there is a sad, dark side. To get 1 kilogram of pure copper, the Earth sacrifices up to 300 kilograms of toxic waste. When it rains, arsenic, lead, and cadmium from this waste seep into the groundwater, acting as ticking time bombs that silently destroy the ecosystem. While copper is essential for technological progress, the Earth is being damaged in the process. How to strike a balance between this kind of development and the environment remains a puzzle that all of humanity must continue to solve. We hope you found this informative and enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and share the video.